What if I told you that the key to unlocking true efficiency, security, and scalability in your organization might be hiding in plain sight within the way you manage your relay accounts? Think about it. In today's interconnected world, where digital interactions are the lifeblood of almost every business, the platforms we use to facilitate those interactions become incredibly critical. For many, Relay is that foundational platform, a powerful tool for communication, collaboration, and streamlining workflows. But like any powerful tool, its effectiveness hinges on how well it's wielded. And when it comes to Relay accounts, wielding it well often translates directly into organizing it effectively. We've all seen the alternative, haven't we? The digital chaos. The orphaned accounts, the forgotten passwords, the permissions that are far too broad, the critical information scattered across disparate, unmanaged silos. It's a recipe for confusion, security vulnerabilities, and ultimately, a significant drag on productivity. Imagine a team trying to coordinate a critical project, but half of them can't access the necessary relay channels, or they're unsure which account to use, or they're constantly hitting permission roadblocks. It's frustrating, inefficient, and frankly, a waste of valuable resources. But what if you could transform that chaos into a well-oiled machine? What if your relay accounts were so meticulously organized that every team member knew exactly where to go, what their permissions were, and how to access the information they needed, instantly and securely? The benefits are immense: enhanced security, improved collaboration, streamlined onboarding, simplified auditing, and ultimately, a more productive and agile organization. This isn't just about neatness for neatness' sake. It's about building a robust digital infrastructure that supports your business goals. It's about minimizing risk and maximizing opportunity. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today: the best practices for organizing your relay accounts. We're going to break down the strategies, the tools, and the mindset you need to transform your relay environment from a potential headache into a powerful asset. So, let's start with the foundational principle: centralized management. This is the bedrock of effective relay account organization. Attempting to manage accounts in a decentralized, ad hoc manner is like trying to herd cats. It's chaotic, ineffective, and ultimately unsustainable. Centralized management means having a single point of control and oversight for all relay accounts. This typically involves leveraging administrative dashboards or dedicated identity management systems that integrate with relay. Why is this so crucial? Because it allows for consistent application of policies, streamlined provisioning and deprovisioning, and a holistic view of your entire relay ecosystem. Without it, you're constantly playing catch-up, reacting to issues rather than proactively managing them. Next up, and equally critical, is establishing clear naming conventions. This might sound like a minor detail, but its impact is profound. Imagine trying to find a specific document in a filing cabinet where every file is just labeled document. Frustrating, right? The same applies to relay accounts. A consistent, logical naming convention for user accounts, channels, and even integrations makes it infinitely easier to identify, search for, and manage resources. For user accounts, this could be something as simple as firstname.lastname or initials.team. For channels, consider project name or department topic. The key is consistency and clarity. Document these conventions and ensure everyone adheres to them. This simple practice will save countless hours of confusion and misdirection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.